What's up, guys? We're back on the root spawn this morning. It's me and Cal again. We hear a good bit of ducks down on there this morning already. Somebody else just pulled up just a few minutes ago at the top of the hill, so hopefully they'll go to the other end of the hole and we'll be on this end and we can shoot them back and forth. I got some new chokes for my gun. Not saying that's gonna make me hit birds, but I'll be trying them out this morning. It's compa chokes. I'll be shooting proof cylinder. Cal here gained some new waders, so his butt won't be getting wet no more with the leaky hole. And so
I'm gonna find out.
Hopefully we're about to get him some birds. Y'all stay tuned and let's see what happens. What time is it? What time is it? .45. 6:45. Ducks are fine. Alright guys, it's about to be shooting light. There's a lot of birds in here, and there's a lot of them starting to jump. I can actually crouch down. We ain't gonna get to shoot nothing. Look right there. That's too high. Shoot one of them. Come on. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Shoot these. Get down, get down. Yeah. Shoot him. Where'd that one fall? Huh? Right here, right here. Right here, right here. They're about to get right over them folks. Look at them teal. Alright, now I'm gonna quit shooting unless I can know I can hit it. Where'd that bird come from? Behind us? These guys are here to our right. Messed us up a little bit this morning. They're 100 yards through there, if that. It happens. Public land, you know. But we had ducks flying. I'm not sure if I killed that one or if Cal killed that one. We were both shooting at them. But anyway, I'm gonna get this camera back on my head just in case. Alright, what's up, guys? We're at the respawn this morning. We was down here yesterday and we had a couple fellas come here pretty close on us. They didn't really mess us up, but they was flaring a lot of birds. So we're back down in here this morning. It's supposed to be a little rainy. We're hoping that'll mean that we're the only ones in here this morning. So we'll see. But there's a good bit of birds in there. We're hearing them again this morning. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to hit some birds and pick them up. So at this point, I don't know. Cal, right here, Cal. Cal, right here. Up. Anyway, so at this point, I don't even know if the GoPro's. Yeah, he was about to try you. Anyway, for the third time, I don't know if the GoPro just recorded any of that hunt. And if it didn't, I'm going to be very upset because this morning was one for the books, I do believe. We only shot down 3 ducks, but man, it don't get much better than that. I'm out of shells already this morning, so I can't even shoot no more. I had 12 or 13 shells when we got here, and it didn't take long to get rid of them. But we're out here, we trying to find these ducks. I don't know if we're gonna find the second one I shot down. He was winged. Cal. Cal. That duck that I winged, he's alive back there. You hear him calling? Well, he's back here. Whenever you get a chance, go kill him. I ain't got no shells. Oh, top. Right over, just flew over you. Birds are still flying good, brother. You might want to stay still. I'm going to look for this bird. Just in case it wasn't recording earlier, I kind of explained what would happen. We got down here in the same spot we were in yesterday. I assume it might be the same fellas that was in here yesterday morning blowing them calls. They were on the other end of the pond this morning. And when they shot, it was ducks all over top of us. And I'm going to be real upset if I didn't get that, because that was awesome hunting. So, like I said, we shot down 3 ducks. That one I winged, I just heard him back there calling. I know he's still alive. This one over here, he's for sure dead, but he's in some grass. So I don't know if I'll be able to find him. I hope I can. Cal's got one down over there in them trees that'll be fairly easy to find. So y'all stick with us and let's see what we get. Where are those logs? So here's some. Might get further out than this. Yeah, I came through right here. I was standing right there and the duck was out. Look at that. Ain't God good. I just want to take a second to admire the colors on this bird. Just look. That is a beautiful bird. He's got the red feathers and all. Another shot. Yeah, all right. Just a beautiful bird. Those are my favorite feathers by far. But something I've never noticed on a wood duck is that red at their tail. Well, he's got green in his tail feathers. I mean, it is a pretty duck. But that's all we ended up picking up today. Just that one, the one I winged that jumped up. Very, very, very unfortunate that the camera didn't catch that shoot this morning, because that was awesome. But you know, it happens. We may go try to shoot some more ducks. We may go to the house. I don't know yet, but we'll see y'all later.